This week, Southwest became the latest U.S. airline to require employees to be inoculated against COVID-19 following an order by the Biden administration in September requiring vaccination or weekly testing for employees of large companies, federal workers and contractors, as well as healthcare personnel.
Today, I'm calling on more employers to act. My message is require your employees to get vaccinated. With vaccinations, we're going to beat this pandemic finally. Without them, we face endless months of chaos in our hospitals, damage to our economy, and anxiety in our schools, and empty restaurants, and much less commerce.
President Joe Biden was in Chicago, Illinois Thursday, visiting a construction site run by a firm that requires vaccinations for its workforce. Public health experts say these mandates have reduced vaccine hesitancy.
Increasingly, it's becoming a social norm to be vaccinated, and these mandates are helping us get there.
While about half of the 50 U.S. states enacted similar mandates, some Republican governors have sued the administration, contending the requirement violates personal freedoms. Legal experts say this is not a defensible argument, considering existing requirements for other vaccines, such as measles and polio.
Vaccines have become a polarizing issue, and the idea of it now being cast not as a medical issue, but as an issue of personal freedom has taken on a life of its own, which has in many ways delayed a governmental response.
Despite the vaccine being free and readily available, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports that only 65% of the population has had their first shot. According to a recent Gallup poll, 92% of Democrats say they have had at least one shot, compared with 56% of Republicans. Some who refuse the vaccine have applied for exemptions based on religious beliefs, including Anna Perry, a physical therapist in a New York hospital.
I was a COVID provider for the last year and a half. I didn't come down with it. I believe that God protected me the whole time.
More than 700,000 people in the U.S. have died from COVID-19, a milestone marked by an exhibit of white flags and the tolling of church bells at the Washington National Cathedral. Patsy Widakuswara, VOA News.